different, then it's a lie. See, that's my down bitch. See, that's my soldier. She keep that name back.
Yes. I don't know yet. They cute or whatever. Next stop is Burlington. We're right now in Burlington. I got a few things in here. I got this bag, y'all. This gonna be my little school bag. Yes, it's bomb. Let's look at her full effect. She's giving. She's giving. School bag right now. And I'm gonna try on. I got a few things in here that I want to try on. I'm gonna try on these jeans. This wow, look at all this stuff. I'm gonna try all this on for y'all. So stay tuned. Are they giving I don't know how I feel about them. They're cute. I'm trying to see what they give. Yeah, they'll give. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get them. What y'all think? Comment down below. Let's get to the next one. Next, we have this mini skirt. I don't really know how I feel about it. I feel like it's giving. It'll be cute with it without. Of course. Somebody here. Not really my style. Oh my god. They ain't loose in the back. I see how they do. Next, these are a no for me. Oh my god, y'all. I'm getting these. These are the cargo ones. Like these are a yes. I'm gonna see if they got a smaller size. Or do I want the smaller size? I don't think I like the bigger size. So I'm just thinking. Let me stand up. Yeah, I like these. Definitely nice. These, yes, for me. I might go get them in a smaller size. I don't know, y'all. Like, they cute. But, like, I feel like they missing something. Oh, no. Maybe I'm tripping. My butt, though, that's gonna give every time. But y'all been in bed. These are the next ones. Okay. These are giving them down there. I got boxes on y'all. But these are the next ones. Hello. I don't know, I might get these out.
Next. next morning.
Yeah, it's the day of my lash appointment. So I just took out my lashes. So my ass look like this because they hurt. I just ripped them joints off, y'all. So now I'm really ball lashed. But I'm ready to get ready for this hair appointment. I meant to say my lash appointment. Alright, I'm ready to go get dressed.
Later. 20 minutes later.
This is ghetto, y'all. Still ain't get my lashes done. It's 11:30. I'm ready to tell my mama just come back and give me, like, when we do my hair. Like, I don't got time for this. I've been here for 30 minutes and she's still not here.
Eventually.
Okay, so y'all, she just texted me and said, I'm ready to put the text right here, what she said. I don't know how I feel about that. My hair looks terrible, but I'm still here. Yeah. Shawty girl would have me waiting an hour for this service. I don't care. I'm leaving you my lashes done with this again.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Yeah, I only get mink lashes again, like for my birthday or something, but nothing else.
What's the difference?
Huh? Next, my hair, because I'm looking at a mess. I already knew she wasn't going to record. You know how they be recording you?
Yeah.
I knew she wasn't going to record me. Because my hair look a hot mess. I wouldn't have recorded me either.
No.
Nah.
Wash your hair and everything, though.
Wash and blow dry it, but that's it. They don't take long. I'm gonna see y'all when I'm out there washing my hair. Y'all, some more lashes just fell out. Like, I'm really irritated. I just got back in the house from my appointment. I couldn't record because my eyes was burning the whole time and my phone was dead. So I just went through a whole lot, y'all. My ass was burning bad, so I couldn't get the bottom. So she couldn't finish them. She ripped off the ones that she put two over there. She ripped them off. Every time she messed up here, she ripped it off and retried. You don't just rip them off like that hurt. I was ready to punch that girl. I'm like, I'm ready to go. But yeah, I was there for hours, but I'm finally home. I'm ready to wash my hair because we're ready to get this hair done. I'm gonna show y'all the hair after I blow, but I'm gonna get right back to you. Okay, y'all, so I just got out the shower and put some I'm ready to. I washed my hair. I'm ready to put in this heat protectant and this moisturizing hair scalp protective barrier. It's good for hair. So I'm gonna put some of this in it. And I'm gonna get my mama to braid the hair because I'm gonna do this style right there. That's the style I'm gonna do. It look good, I know. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna get back to y'all once I'm done. Yeah, I just washed my hair. I just blow dried it. It's not straight, it's blow dried. It's kind of stiff because I put a lot of heat protector in it because I don't play like that. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all after my mama finish braiding it. Yeah, this is the hair that I got. I got the what's this called? Expression 40 inches long. You see what I want to say? It's 40. That's 40. But yeah, this how they look out the pack. Alright, go ahead, play my music and start putting them in. So yeah, this is where I'm at right now. I'm feeling it already. And this is where I'm at right now though. Period. I'm gonna finish wrapping these and I'm gonna do the rest. Okay y'all, so I just finished my hair. It's like 12 or 1 in the morning. I don't know. I'm ready to show y'all it though. Ooh. I am my hair did in a minute. Well, not hair did, but braids. It's 40 inches, y'all. Let me fix it for y'all. Can get the gist of it. This is my hair, y'all. How do y'all like? Y'all like it? Let me get y'all a close up because I'm very far. Yeah, y'all. This is your girl hair. I'm gonna style it, of course. I don't know how to style it yet, but it's so long. Look how long it is. Jesus Christ. Yeah, y'all. I'm gonna style it. I've tried to leave most of my edges out, but I didn't. I messed some of my edges out. I should have left some more, but they're gonna come out eventually. I ain't wanted it to look too old. My forehead look OD. I'm gonna style it, y'all. Y'all probably see it while it's styled, because I really don't like how this looking right now.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, it's the next morning. I woke up at like 9 a.m. and start. It's good. So it's just, yeah, it's looking good right now. Look. Very lovely. But I'm ready to finish this retwist. And I gotta go to work after this. And I got school tomorrow. Y'all, I finished this hair. Right now I'm on the way to work. In my bag, yeah. I couldn't afford it because I was really tired. I got into a lot of stuff. I'm at the store right now. Show them your hair. Put your hair down. Hey y'all, I'm editing this video right now. Yeah, I didn't get to it until the first week ended, y'all. It's now Friday, so we don't have school right now because Labor Day Monday. So I would like to close out this vlog because I didn't get to close it, because the next video will be my first day of school. Get ready with me video. This is the end of my little back to school preparations. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below what else you would like to see. And please, please, please subscribe, y'all. Because I be getting a lot of views, but I don't be getting a lot of subscribers, and I don't understand. Please hit that subscribe button. And thank you, y'all. Stay tuned for that next first day of school. Be prepared for it, because it's the next video. Turn on that bell so you can get notified. Deuces.